Guys, let's just unpack on indaba nje zaseMzansi and around celebrities, mostly what we do here on News Galore. Niyamazi uSamgethu ekhwela, uAnelisiwe Ntshangana, uZama Duma, uTiamo Smith. Yo, akazi babadonse kanje ku Twitter. Guys, they were basically dragging them to filth. Betlalelani oqala eneni wathanda amadoda amadala for imali. Khona uphendulule wathi kusofanele ukuthi benze njani noma ekhaya kulanjiwe. Guys, who even says things like that? It's just like, it's a lot. Hey, khona manje lamadoda abafuthi ayabafraza. I was like, kodwa uTiamo yakhe imfraza ngimthengele i-push present, a Mercedes worth actually over R1 million. So, and the omunye was like, liyana phansi uTiamo because uTiamo is being married to this guy. And uTiamo avela kafihlwa washo ukuthi no ukuthi ngihlele imali manje. I didn't know it at the time. I didn't know he had money, but now ngiyazi. So now what must happen? Guys, we're looking for different things. I was telling someone yesterday because our priorities are not the same. We are looking for different things in life. We were even judging, and it's not right to be judging people. Because I suka lezi ngane lezi busy shotela kashemba busy shota namakhehla. Omunye igqokile uniform nje, the whole uniform. So we were like, oh, kusho ushadele kashemba. So we were just saying ukuthi uthola ushade nekhehla. Guys, it's fine. You althanda ikhehla like sinasingeni nowhere. No Zama Duma, so ba busy ba shotana namakhehla bakuhlalela imali yabo. Yeah, no, but guys, I mean, I've said it so many times here on this channel. It's important that you have your own money. It's very important. That's how my uncle used to speak. Important. It's very important actually to have your money. Because uzodlala abantu, uzodlala umuntu esekudampa esekushiya ungena lutho olwakho. So it's important. I saw also a video ga Tiamo Smith is doing so well. Utia Smith, it's doing really well. That video I think is on 200,000 now, over 200,000, where she was talking about Imtwana, labor, all of that in a push present. Don't get them calling James Sabina about her life. I was just like, boo, she made a lot of money just on one video. So it's important that you have your own money, guys. Guys, you make you tell Sebon ukuthi Naomi Dlamini useyamsuwa after he was told she is gonna be brought to the parliament ukuthi apologize ngoba this thing. He didn't just say it to Minnie Dlamini only. He said it to a lot of us, or should I say all of us women. You can go and see my videos where I was talking about making official. No one tells him those things. But yena uneright ukuthi athuka abantu ashe izinto noma yini ngaze ngathi lo 1 million subscribers has gotten into his head. It's going crazy. Like akekho umuntu nje. So wasethi uMini ke mina ke shame. He can go and jump off some tiny cliff. I don't care. Noma ngabe inkulu noma incane leyo cliff, I actually don't even give. Mina I'm suing him. Angidlali naye. I said to McG, I'm sorry. I said, some public. But bro, you're not sorry. You're not sorry. You actually continued to say stuff about me. And it's not the first time. This is my thing. If you can see my video 2 weeks ago. But I've been saying, it's not the first time. Wage show about a year ago. 2 years ago. It's just in Tongo. People are even saying, guy, but so manji kukula because as so what's going on now? Like live at the same time go bangiti she doesn't care about you, and then you start to say stuff. It's crazy things, guys. We can't be saying stuff about people we know nothing about. You know, who's successful women. You can't be serious. Say you are joking right now. Or you got don't make G. And in fiction, but no one. Nobody, even to this day, no one has told him that. But you know, we are izinto ebantwini and say stuff about umina uthelalela kayo wayla noma ngikuphi ifuna ukwela khona. I don't care. Ngisahleli lapho lokuthi ngizomsuwa. Uzongibona kahle ke. And she is very serious about it. She's not playing with him. And I agree with it. Akamhambisa akamsuwe. Uyapapa lo. And then if you've noticed, big YouTubers like South Africa have stopped doing gossip. Yeah, there is the ones the couple, you remember them? The couple that used to do umgozi, top umgozi. They were on like almost 300,000 subscribers bayeka abasahlebi ngabantu bengahlebi ngabantu futhi thina sihlalele mina nje actually I don't even ukubona. So I just wanted to say nje around le nto yegossip ukuthi someone was also saying ukuthi yena useyeki wake wayeka kancane to gossip. Lana ngithi as a YouTuber, you like your celebrities, your senzo meyiwa, your anything, your crime, whatever like you are talking about when it comes to gossip. Wayeka yena completely because why he turned to God. You understand my point? Yeah. But my thing is that at the end of the day, silana nje. I've been vocal about it. Sifuna isinkwa sokuthi inganzidli phela. Ukubona le nto le. Yeah, so most YouTubers abanye sebevele bayeka ukugossip la on gossip channels, and also we realized that ukuthi awekho kahle ama views kulezi insuku YouTube. The channel ke vela ayholile News Galo for days. They've been reviewing it for a month. I've been waiting for an email ukuthi ngitshela ukuthi when am I gonna be paid. But even the other channel, my main channel, What's the Tea, Siyahlaziya, it's not really doing well because besides which there's a lot of gossipers, our videos are not recommended, guys, and someone was even complaining ukuthi even nana masabhiza nwabuki. I was just like, guys, please don't do that. Uthi ene the subscribers are not watching bayazama because some the fact ukuthi uyawuthola low 600 views, uyamthola low 100 views. Just be patient and into fun and be grateful. I mean, I am grateful to you guys for this channel because this channel is actually my fastest channel, just as much as I haven't been paid for it. But I am grateful for you guys. I don't wanna lie. So asikufake naloko ku-video ukuthi yay, things have been stagnant. There's some stagnation going on, you know, around the views, a movie, or people will watch you or click on your channel but not watch the whole video because you need them to watch the whole video ngoba ufuna babuke nama ads, because that's how we got paid. AdSense is basically the ones that are paying us. So on What's the Tea, things have been slow. But I'm like, you know what, like I'm saying, Guti, into fun guys. Even my daughter being to do this, ma, don't worry, you know. It will take off at some stage. So I was just like, you know what, you know, just come down as a person. But I'm grateful to you guys. I don't want to lie, especially when it comes to this particular channel. It's been the fastest growing channel of mine. I've got a channel before this one in 3 years. It's just started growing last week. I'm just like, what's going on? So it's not the same. And that's my personal channel. Hayi bese kuba usima guys, usima naye uactor sengathi manje ushimile, like I don't even understand. Njalo zolomncane uGhost Club une channel yakhe ku 167,000 if I saw it today properly. Subscribers. Who would you care? Just move on with your life. Dump twice. No, I think it's actually even 3 times, guys. Do you think Sima will go back to Ghost Club? Guys, please. It needs to stop now. She needs to move on. Ghost Club abantu ukuthi uphuma kanjani. No, ayusema bona ukuthi uphuma kanjani. Azakhala sedakiwe in some video ekhalela Ghost Club. No. Can't be crying for Ghost Club, guys. Please move on with your life. It's just as simple as that. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat this in Sima because I just feel like it's impossible. Like, what's up with that? Now be like, can I move on now? I'm done with you. Now toilet paper. Like, it needs to stop lento. Yabe seyangibora. Angisathande nami ngosima. You know, dragging hair la nabe tsofana no kanye imbawo. To be in the plastic surgery. It's like they look the same. Guys, usima ngabantu kunini. Uyabona ukuthi at some stage nayo I need happiness ngeke aze ulebele edlala umuntu kanje. It's a loss. Kaze wenza statement ngimdampila idamde. You are the greatest wena ngoba udamba abantu. No, it needs to stop. Nami ngime lapho for now. For indaba zase South Africa. I appreciate you guys so much and I thank you. Ngithanda over.